already broken. But welcome back mga kablagadag. Today's video, we'll do unboxing with me for my vlog. This one, guys, I ordered from Temu and it's arrived already. But first we will do the unboxing of my microphone, lavalier microphones from Forodo. So we will try to open this one and we try to use it today, guys, so everyone can see. So this is for 16 Omani Reals, but when we purchased this one, I get a discount. It's discounted, guys, for it's about 12 Reals, 12 Omani Reals. I'm sorry I did not show you there. I'm just showing here in my camera down for my vlog as well, so but I'll let you see this one. Oh. Oh my god. This is my first time in my vlog having. Okay, here. So there is two like soft thing inside for the microphone. And this is the case for that one. So this one is made in China, but the case, first impression, the case is really nice. It's like an AirPod but a bigger version. And there is a two microphone inside. Ta-da! So this is the first microphone, and then this one you will use it to put on the top of the microphone. I think this is for the enhancer, guys, so that your voice is very clear. See, this is the first one. And then, so this one, guys, you will use this one in your, if you have iPhone, you can use this one. I don't know if you can see, this one is for your iPhone. You just connect to your iPhone, or if you have Type-C, you can also use Type-C here. So there is also the for the charger, and this is the second mic. So I will install everything, guys, so at least you can see this one. Okay, so you have two microphones, and this is the, oh yeah, this one is for your phone, so that it will connect to your like charger. This will be connected to your phone. If you have Type-C, you can use Type-C directly, but if you have iPhone, you can connect this one like that, so that you can connect directly to your iPhone using your charger socket. So I will try to connect this to my phone now, which I'm doing my video as well. Okay. Now I have to on the mic. Here, it will show how many percentage is the remaining for battery. This one is 80%. So I have to try. Hello. Sure. So if the light green is blinking, it means it's already on. So I will try to put here because I'm doing my video as well for my blog, for my unboxing blog. So this is the one. No, it's already broken. But this is the one, guys. Farado. It's very nice actually. I hope it will does the work. Okay, this is the first unboxing that we did today. Unfortunately, the mic was not yet connected to my phone that time, and I just knew it when I rechecked the video. Good. Scan here to access user manual. So there is a user manual and how to use, I think, all the procedures and everything. Now I'm using it, so I will try to check my video later if really working. But I have to do my second unboxing. So stay with me, guys. If this one is really good, I will update you on my channel so you guys can buy this one as well. Okay? So I will update you next time. I will do live again, okay? Thank you for watching for this unboxing. And then next I will unbox also my latest purchase in Temu, which I purchased this one last 2 weeks ago, I think. So now I'm using my microphone to do this unboxing in my another videos. Okay, thank you for watching, guys, and now I video again for my another unboxing.